Here are 5 Gen X fitness exercises to prevent sarcopenia and keep muscles strong at age 60 plus. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're in your 50s or 60s, maybe even a bit past that, and you feel like your strength isn't quite what it used to be, listen up. There's something called sarcopenia, and it's just a fancy way of saying losing muscle as we age. And let me tell you, it happens faster than we think. But the good news? You can slow it down, even reverse some of it, just by moving the right way. Today, I'm going to show you 5 simple exercises to help keep your muscles strong and your balance steady. No fancy equipment, no crazy gym workouts, just things you can do at home. All right, let's get to it. 1. Sit to stand. Okay, first one. Super important. We're using a chair. Sit at the edge, feet about hip width apart. Lean forward a bit as you normally would, push through your legs and stand up. No plopping back down, lower yourself nice and slow. If that's easy, hold a small weight at your chest. This one works your legs, balance, and core all in one go. Try for 10 to 15 reps. 2. Seated marching. Next, we're staying in the chair. Nice, right? Sit tall, don't lean back, and just lift one knee at a time, like you're marching in place. Try to keep your torso steady. This is going to help with hip strength, core stability, and even your walking. Shoot for 20 reps total, alternating legs. 3. Heel to toe walk. Now, this one's all about balance. Stand near a wall or counter just in case. Place one foot right in front of the other, heel to toe like you're walking a tightrope. Take small, slow steps. If this feels easy, try doing it without holding on. Go for about 10 steps forward, turn around, and go back. Balance, it's everything. 4. Countertop push-ups. All right, time to work that upper body. Find a kitchen counter or a sturdy table. Hands shoulder width apart. Step back a little and lower yourself down, keeping your elbows tucked in. No flaring out. Then push back up. Simple but effective. Aim for 10 to 15 reps. 5. Calf raises plus shin lifts. Last one. Stand tall, hold onto a counter if you need to. Lift heels and up onto your toes. Hold for a sec, then lower down slowly. To switch things up, lift your toes off the ground this time, like you're rocking back on your heels. This helps with walking, stairs, all that good stuff. Try for 15 to 20 reps. And there you have it. 5 easy moves to keep you strong, steady, and moving well. You don't need to do them all at once, just a little bit every day adds up big time. So give it a shot, see how it feels, and let me know in the comments. How's it going for you? If this helped, hit that like button, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep moving, stay strong.